Back. I have this little Stow electric chainsaw. The Stow MSE 140C electric chainsaw. Just pick it up for 25 rand. It's not very much, like $5 or lower, like $2. Let's look at the part stuff. Let's discover on it. Let's just tight. And you see there's quite a bit of space between the part and the cover. So we'll see now in a minute. I tried opening it there, but yeah, won't budge. I'll see why. Look here, there are homemade spices. That won't work well. Because that's a piece of rubber from a generator. That won't work. To get one of that, let's take a peek in there. We can't see. So let's look. It's broken. They said it's broken. So let's open it up real quick. So let's see if it's really broken. Let's open it up. And it's back. Let's see. Just gonna open this cover. I'm not gonna take the whole thing apart just to see if this thing is done. There's a couple of good parts here. Comment down below if you want some parts. I'll give you the parts. You can you can have some parts if you want to. Because if it's broken, someone can have it. Just let me know. Let's open it up. Someone can have it for free if it's broken. Maybe somebody can use a couple of parts. But the oil tank and stuff is good. It's really that I never saw a saw in this bad shape. Like a electric chainsaw. Man, it's bad for its age. This one was made in 2010. I always check the date on the code. The part of the soda model. Yeah. Take a socket. Where's my socket? Where's my socket? Yeah. Take it. If it's tight, tight screws. Put your Allen key in a socket. Allen key hit your hand. Just twist it like this. But if somebody wants it, comment down below. Wants it, I'll send it to you. Just get it shipped. So I'm quite far from America. Well, let's look here. Comment down below if you need parts. I'll give it for you to free. Cause I don't care if it's broken. Because there are some good parts, like the brake is still good. That them is the switch and the wires inside. Holy crap. Look there. That stator is off. If it doesn't have a stator on it. Comment down below if you want it. You could talk to get it shipped to you. So yeah. Comment down below. I'll just put it together. Let's put it together. And the one who want it, get shipped to that one. So yeah. If you want parts, just let me know. You can have it. Please people. Don't want this thing near me. I don't care. Even if I paid a million rand for it. No man. It's rubbish. Done. Let's just tighten it back up. So nice. So if it's good, the engine, but in this moment, the engine is quite bad. Just gonna tighten up these screws real quick. Comment down below what kind one of do you have. Tell me what is your favorite chainsaw. What type of brand, like Stihl, Husqvarna, Homelite, or do you collect old chainsaws? I could make Comment down below if I must make all chainsaw videos, antique chainsaw videos. I have antique chainsaws. So yeah, and now we must focus on the screws. So yeah, screws are still good. It's only out of 40 decibels. That's quite quiet. Actually, quite loud for that change. But if you guys want it, comment down below. It's yours. Because this thing isn't bad. But parts, some parts still good, like the oil cap, the side cover. The side cover looks brand new. Yeah, must tighten it up. There we go. Comment below whose chainsaw is this. The one who comments first, I'll pick one and get the chainsaw to you though. I don't know what this, but must just get the shipping. I'll ship it to you though. It's the covers. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe.